Hi guys, welcome back. Today I thought I'd do a bit of a clothes haul for you today. So last week I ordered a bunch of stuff off SHEIN and that's all arrived. So I thought I'd show you guys some of the products that I got and also sort of show you how I might style them, sort of thing, and everything. So I've definitely had a lot of inspiration this week of, if anyone else has been watching all of the shows at Fashion Week, definitely love those, love watching those, get a lot of inspiration and obsessed with watching those and everything. So yeah, I thought I'd sit down and show you guys some of the stuff I got. So I'll start off with some of the tops that I got. So first thing I got was this green crop, like cotton, sort of see-through material, crop top, long sleeve, which I'm obsessed with. It came in the perfect colour that I wanted and the sizing's great and everything I love about it. So I definitely probably wear this top with a pair of shorts with sneakers or a pair of shorts with sandals, or even like long low-waisted jeans or baggy jeans. I definitely wear it with those, and that's a good one, so I love that. Next top I got was this black long sleeve crop, sort of tight fitted cotton, sort of like top, crop top. And I got this because I thought it'd be great with a long pair of jeans, or even like a nice sort of, I'd wear this under maybe like an oversized shirt if it was cold, for just a long sleeve. So obsessed with that. In the right color, perfect size. So I loved that. Last top I got was this boob tube, sort of like almost denim color cotton boob tube crop, which I'm obsessed with because I thought this would be great for wearing on its own with, again, a baggy pair of jeans or a pair of shorts, layering it over sort of like a white top like this with some jeans and sneakers, or you know, and everything. And that came and that fits great and perfect, so that was good. And I'm obsessed with the color. It's sort of like a, almost like a denim-y blue grey, so that I recommend getting. The next item I got is, when I saw this, I fell in love with it, so I thought like I need to get it. But it's definitely a statement piece for sure, but it's this sort of cropped, like fluffy, got a fluffy neck and fluffy end of the sleeves, cropped sort of zip up, which I'm obsessed with. I thought this would be great in winter because it's still sort of that thin up here, because our winters are still can be warm. You just sort of need something long sleeve and warm, but not too thick, because this is where you still get too hot. So I got that in the black. Then I got this windbreaker, sort of like fitness throw over zip up, which I'm happy with. I probably would have gotten maybe a different color because it does look a bit like a high school uniform sort of thing. It looks like my old high school uniform, but still will wear it. I'll wear this definitely with sort of when I'm going out on a walk, like fitness wise. I'll wear it with a fitness outfit, or I'd even wear this with like sort of like a crop underneath with some oversized jeans and sneakers. I definitely think that will look good. So happy with that. And the last thing I got are these grey baggy pants. It's got an adjustable waist and it's also got drawstring ankles, so you can loosen them right up to make them like a wide leg, or you can tighten them to make them sort of like gripped around the ankle, which I like because I wear those like with sneakers underneath and stuff like that, and then just a simple white t-shirt like this. So I'm obsessed with those, and they came in a good size too. Super happy with everything that I got, super happy with the pricing, and it all came like postage wise within a week, so I was happy with that. I hope you guys liked that little SHEIN haul. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe and comment any other video ideas that you'd like me to do. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.